What's up, guys? Just made it over to Jonathan's house. We're gonna try and get some Loveland Pass park laps and maybe play a game of snow. Otherwise, I want to do 30 tricks for my 30th birthday today. But I don't know if I have that in me. Maybe just a game of snow and we'll see how it goes. But hopefully there's still some snow up on the pass, and overall it's a fun day. It's beautiful out. What more can you ask for, guys? Sweet. All right, guys, we made it out to Loveland Pass. It's my 30th birthday. We're gonna play a game of snow, or whatever you'll call it, a massacre. All right.
Let's get to building.
"30 years old, still playing in the snow. Life doesn't get much better."
So whoever gets wins Rochambeau wins the game. So let's do this.
I can only do rock.
What Kyle doesn't know is I went to state for Rochambeau. So
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Yeah, for just one go though.
Okay. Wait.
What is that? Is that
Karate.
a ninja chop? Is that a ninja chop
Karate
paper?
chop.
Redo. Karate chop. Come on!
There we go.
I'm all right. Here we go. Kyle won
I'm up.
with his shenanigans, whatever that was. Whatever.
Karate chop.
Whatever.
On your head.
What's your trick?
We'll just go 180, front one, back one out. Back one.
Yeah, that's what you claimed. Hey!
All right, guys, the game of snow is underway. I got first trick, Rochambeau, front one, back one. Jonathan's up. Let's see if he gets it. All right, bud, all strapped in. Easy. Let's just go nose press.
All right.
Yeah.
No, nose press.
I don't know. I'll tap it.
I felt like you tapped kind of like right here.
At the start.
Good thing we got a camera. Let's review it.
I don't know.
After review, Kyle tapped at the beginning, which is the hardest part about a nose press, honestly.
Yep.
So we're going to go to half cabin, back 3 out.
Man,
Yeah, you got the 2 warm-up tricks.
I haven't done that trick all year.
Yeah. Did I do that?
Why are you stepping it up so hard already? No go. All right, I'm just gonna go tail press, back one out.
Okay.
Nope. No go.
He said it himself. I don't have to say anything. All right. Simple, but difficult, but tasteful. Switchboard slide.
Okay. I get down. Easy. See, I just want to lip slide that trick.
The worst part about it was the rail made the sad noise for you.
All right, that's an S.
That's an S. All right, first letter on the board goes to Kyle, the Cowboy Roy.
That's silly.
Simple but elegant.
It's a trick I do not do
Yeah,
ever.
it's a trick I learned this year. For all the people saying I need to do new things. All right, we'll go classic, every decent snowboarder's trick. Board slide 2-7 out. 90.
What are the rules?
Guys, it's July. There really is no steep landing, so when it comes to any scrapage, we're going 20%-ish scrape on any spin tricks off.
Cool.
Unless it's a simple 180.
Okay. Little more than 20%, bud. Yeah, I like it. I respect it. All right, guys, I'm going 50-50, 180 swivel.
I'm still stuck.
He's still down here. So slow.
Are you okay?
Oh, come on.
Pause the game.
There it is.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Jeez, dude.
I'm not feeling it. Old man syndrome.
Alright, corrugated, they're tricky, they'll get you. And I think this trick might get him front board through the whole thing.
Nope. Didn't call the switch. Nope.
Come on.
I know.
So let's pick another trick I just learned. Backboard.
Pretzel 270.
Pretzel out.
Almost. I like that trick.
You're gonna second up me?
Yeah.
All right.
Yep.
Joke's on him because that means I got to practice.
Pretzel 2 out.
He's gonna come in lip. If you guys don't know what that means, he's gonna jump over the rail into his board slide and then pretzel out. Nope. All right. Since you're in the mood for lips, let's do back lip.
Okay. Nice. I didn't go into it.
No. SNO, my dude.
Oh well.
Guys, just so you know, it's Kyle's birthday, and for his birthday, we're serving him a can of... No, I'm joking. Since it's the final, we got to pick a pretty hard one. Pretty new one to me. I think that's fair. Give you another shot to take trick call.
Okay.
Half cab in, swivel. So half cab in, front side swivel, front side 180 out.
Okay.
Wait, so wait, it's a half cab in, front side swivel, half cab out.
Yeah, a lot of this.
That's the true half cab in, front side swivel, half cab out. That's the trick.
Swivel. I don't know. Helicopter.
So I was drifting to the left, but we decided to count it as a win, or not a win, as a land. And so, because I still did the full motions, we just drifted slightly, but that last 180 did come off the end of the tube. So Kyle's got to do half cab in, front side swivel, half cab out.
I don't know. How do you know how to go about this?
Well, you start with the half cab, then when you lock in, you swivel, and then you 180 out of that swivel.
Next tutorial right there.
Yeah.
That was the worst effort ever. Fastest game of snow ever, guys. Sometimes you don't feel it, and sometimes you get your butt kicked.
So, game of snow is, even though we're talking trash and playing with each other, it's all about progression. And what I learned from today is I gotta get this guy doing a lot more switch tricks next season.
Yep.
Because it helps to be all rounded.
I'm all right with
However, Kyle, when I first did that first day riding with him, he's like, yeah, I've kind of been riding park, wasn't doing much. And then we went to Mammoth, and then a fire got lit in this kid. And then you parked hard.
Yeah, then I parked hard again.
Park hard.
Park hard.
Park hard.
Well, guys, there you have it. Jonathan is the victor. Absolutely just destroyed me.
Switch tricks.
Switch tricks. This thing, nope, no go.
Edge catch got you.
Dude, it just got in my head again. I'm 0 for 2 on the culvert, so. All right, guys, that's a wrap on the day. Thanks, Jonathan, for dragging me out, playing snow and kicking my butt. But ultimately, just remind me what I need to work on next season and next round 2.
Switch tricks.
Switch tricks. I gotta go just all switch. I can ride switch pretty dang well.
So the tricks just should come easy.
They should come easy, but anyway, super fun day, guys. We'll get out in a couple days and crush it from there. Later.